Hey, Eagle Run 23 here. Working on a faucet. It leaks when it's on, and so the first thing you need to do, I've had some trouble with this, and I was just at Home Depot and I was talking to a guy. He was there for the exact same reason that I was, and I thought maybe I wasn't going to film a video on this, but I thought maybe I could help somebody out. So my handle is like this. This goes into the wall. On the back here, when you pull this thing straight out, there is a flat washer. It's just a flat washer. It has a screw in it. Okay, no big deal. Replace that. It should be, 25 cents, whatever. And then here at the handle, there's a pack nut. I think that's what that's called. And then there's this cone type washer. And this is the reason that, see how torn up mine is? This is the reason that mine is leaking. This also screws off, but when you go to the store, you need to know how long this is. This is 8 inches. If you're going to replace this entire assembly, if you've got damaged threads or something, this is 8 inches. You need to know that before you go to the store, because it's hard sometimes to tell, and they can be different lengths based on, how it's set up in your wall. So most of them, I think, are 8 inches. But anyway, you only need these two things to fix a leaky faucet. Home Depot has this, but here's the funny thing. I bought this there, and this is a flat washer assortment. It's basically for hose repair, and it even comes with new little screws, which is fine, whatever. My screw is fine, I just need a new washer. And this one actually looks like it's in good shape, but I'm gonna go ahead and replace it because I got it. But this is like, like a 10-pack, which is like a lifetime supply of these. Like, you need one for the front yard, one for the backyard, about every 10 years. Home Depot does not have this one, and it's not flat. It's a little bit cone shaped, but it's not a cone washer. They do not have this, and so I'm gonna have to put this back together and try to order it. So the point of this video is I wanted to show you how this comes apart, because it's kind of, you just need 2 wrenches, 2 wrenches or a vice grip or something. Unscrew the knob first, take that off, that comes off of here, and then unscrew this guy. He sits right there. Unscrew that, make sure you don't lose your washer. This seals to this, and this is where mine's leaking from the handle. And then this part comes off, but you don't really need to take that off, but it comes off, and it's got big coarse screws. This is actually what controls your, like, when it goes like this versus like this. That's what shows like how much water is coming out. That's the amount you have there. And then on the end of mine, I don't know what model it is, but there's a flat washer that goes there. And this is what will leak, from what I understand. This is what leaks if it leaks all the time. And that's this one, which mine appears to be in great shape, and it's 15 years old. This is the one that leaks when the hose is on, is the one in the front. So you really just need this, but Home Depot won't sell you that. They got a repair kit and all these things. They have a $30 assembly, but it doesn't really fix what you need. You just need this. So anyway, I hope that helps you. I'm gonna leave in the description or maybe in the comments where I found this. I haven't found it yet, but where I found this, and a link to it, hopefully on Amazon or something, because most likely this is what you need. And it's a 2-second repair. Turn the water off at the main, unscrew, unbolt, new washer, rebolt, rescrew. You're done deal. All right, Eagle Run 23. Thanks for watching.